and welcome to the University of Michigan College of Engineering. I'm Akash, a junior here, and I'll be your tour leader today. Right now, what you're looking at is the Duderstadt Center, more commonly known as the Dude. The center is a place of innovation by design, and is an environment where students and faculty can access unique resources and expertise. Technologies like 3D printers, virtual and augmented reality systems, and performance studios, to mention a few. The center also houses the Art, Architecture, and Engineering Library, and is personally one of my favorite spots to study. The Duderstadt Center consists of 4 floors. The basement, which has a more open layout, with many desks for students to study and attend office hours with professors. The first floor, containing the fabrication and production studios, as well as a cafe. And the second and third floors, where you can study in groups or individually and are able to book private study rooms throughout the day. The center is also open 24/7, so whether you like studying in the afternoon or late into the night, the Duderstadt Center can be a great place for you. Moving to the right, we have the Chrysler Center, which is home to student affairs and other student-related services. Here, you will find many resources, like the Engineering Advising Center, International Programs in Engineering, and the Engineering Career Resource Center, to just name a few. Continuing on to the right, you will find Pierpont Commons, which houses our North Campus University Union System, a food court, retail stores, and our student lounges. A cool aspect about these 3 buildings is that they are all connected to one another, so you're able to walk from one building to the other without having to step foot outside, which is very useful during the winter here. Turning clockwise to the right, we find the North Campus Anne and Robert Lurie Bell Tower. We have a bell tower on North Campus as well as on Central Campus. The bell tower was completed in 1996 and houses the 60-bell Grand Carillon, which has a 5-octave range and is one of the only 23 Grand Carillons in the world. These carillon bells ring automatically every quarter hour, and you can take a class to learn how to play these bells. So if you hear the Star Wars theme song on a day like May the 4th, or an Ed Sheeran song while walking to classes, that is most likely a fellow student learning how to play the bells for the entire campus to hear. Turning clockwise to the right, we find ourselves at the Bob and Betty Beyster Building. This building is an excellent example of demonstrating the progression of engineering. At our entrance, we have a small piece of the ENIAC, the first digital computer ever built. Moving to the right, we have the George G. Brown, or GGB for short. The GGB is home to one of the world's largest stationary and hand-solvable Rubik's Cubes. It was envisioned, designed, and built by 2 teams of mechanical engineering undergraduate students over the course of 3 years. Moving further in the GGB, we have the Structures Lab, one of our testing facilities. Our engineers use a combination of the strong 20-foot-high wall and our highly reinforced concrete floor to simulate real-world conditions, such as earthquakes, indoors. Lastly, we will move once again clockwise to the right to the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science Building, or EECS for short. Here we create state-of-the-art technology and constantly push the boundaries of research. Connected to the EECS building, we have the Lurie Nanofabrication Facility, where our researchers work on the nanometer scale. If you're wondering how long 1 nanometer is, that is the length that your fingernails will grow in 1 second. The Lurie Nanofabrication Facility is here to provide faculty and students with advanced nanofabrication equipment to aid in projects in telecommunications, radar, healthcare, and quantum and molecular computing, just to name a few. Whether you are studying at the Dude, solving giant Rubik's Cube, or doing extensive testing in the Structures Lab, this is just a small sample of what Michigan has to offer. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you on campus very soon.